Little storyteller.
Nimbus was a happy, fluffy cloud who loved to drift over sunny green fields. One day, Nimbus floated past a very busy place, a candy factory. It had tall, sugary chimneys puffing out yummy smells of strawberries, bananas, and juicy oranges. As Nimbus went over the factory, a big gust of sweet-smelling air tickled his cloud belly. Suddenly, little colorful things started to float out of Nimbus. They were tiny, edible bricks, just like building blocks, and they smelled like all the yummy candies from the factory. There were red ones that smelled like strawberries, yellow ones like bananas, and orange ones like juicy oranges. Below, in a sunny green park, lived a little fluffy bunny with long floppy ears named Benny. Benny was playing hide-and-seek with his best friend, Rosie, a giggling squirrel with a bushy tail. Suddenly, colorful tiny blocks started to fall from the sky. "Wow!" squeaked Rosie, catching a yellow block. "It smells like bananas." Benny caught a red one. "And this one smells like strawberries." They look like tiny building blocks. They started collecting the colorful blocks. Soon, other little animals came to see the amazing candy rain. There was Freddie the friendly fox, with a wagging tail, and Penelope the playful puppy, with soft brown fur. Benny had a great idea. "Let's build something," he said, and all the little animals agreed. They worked together, using the fruity blocks, to build a colorful candy castle, with banana yellow walls and strawberry red towers. Penelope even used the orange blocks to make a tiny bridge. It was so much fun building together and smelling all the yummy fruit scents. When their candy castle was finished, they all sat around it, admiring their creation. Then, Benny broke off a little piece of his red strawberry brick and shared it with Rosie. Rosie shared a bite of her yellow banana brick with Freddie, and soon everyone was sharing their candy blocks. It tasted as wonderful as it smelled. Sharing made the yummy treats even better, and their colorful castle a sweet reminder of their fun day together. It showed them that working together and sharing can make even the most amazing things even more enjoyable.
Please subscribe. Thank you.